mobility in aqueous phase, right? So in aqueous phase, which has got highest ionic mobility. Mobility is nothing but the movement, right? Which ion in water, aqueous phase means what? Water will move faster, right? Mobility is nothing but movement, right? So we know that. So I have what? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Strontium is not given here, directly they have given barium. We know that as we go down the group, size increases, right? As we go down the group, size increases. So size of Be2 plus, right, Be2 plus will be very small compared to size of Mg2 plus, compared to size of Ca2 plus, and compared to size of Ba2 plus, right? So this is nothing but the Be2 plus, this is Ca2 plus, this is what, sorry, this is Mg2 plus, not Ca, this is Mg2 plus, this is Ca2 plus, and last one is Ba2 plus, right? So this is the size of ion. So since the size of this B2 plus is small, so more amount of water will be present around that, right? So let me change the color of the pen so that you can understand. So this is yellow color is nothing but the water of hydration. This water molecule will surround this Ba2 plus, right? This B2 plus, since it is small in size and 2 plus charge is there, so if I compare size to, sorry, charge to size ratio, since charge is 2 plus, size is very small. Here all charge is 2 plus, but see here size is big, here small and full small, right? So greater the charge, smaller the size, so more amount of water will surround it, right? Because water means what? H2O will be having polar like this. So see, this is H2O, right? So these two hydrogen will be having delta plus, whereas this oxygen will be having delta minus and delta minus, right? Delta 2 minus. So there will be delta plus and delta minus, dipole moment will be there, permanent dipole moment like this. So that water molecule will surround these cations. So since the charge to size ratio of B2 plus is very high, why it is high? Because size is small and charge is 2 plus. So more amount of water will surround this B2 plus compared to Mg2 plus. Mg2 plus water will surround, no doubt. If here if it forms 5 layer water layer, here it will form how many? 3 water layer. Here it will form what? 2 water layer, and here it will form 1 water layer, right? Because of which we can see that in water, because they have asked in aqueous, right? In aqueous size of B2 plus will be more, because more amount of water will be surrounding this B2 plus compared to Mg2 plus, compared to Ca2 plus, compared to Ba2 plus, right? So more amount of energy, water is surrounding this B2 plus, hence it can't move. Why it can't move? Because its size is now bulky. B2 plus size is very small, charge to size ratio is very high, because of which what? More amount of water will surround this beryllium, because of which the size becomes more in aqueous phase. Since size is more in aqueous phase, it can't move, so movement will be very less compared to this. This will move fast, this will be very faster, and this will be very faster. Why? Only one water layer has been surrounded to Ba2 plus, so size is compared to less compared to Be2 plus, Mg2 plus, and Ca2 plus. So mobility of Ba2 plus will be very high in aqueous phase, right? And that you have to remember, because water surrounds here only one layer, here 5 layer, 3 layer, 2 layer, right? So the movement of Ba2 plus will be very faster. So what was the question? Highest ionic mobility in aqueous phase. So barium will move very faster, as only one water layer will surround this Ba2 plus ion, as its size is more, so charge to size ratio of barium is less. Whereas this is barium, this is beryllium, what happens? Size is small, charge is 2 plus, so charge to size ratio is more, right? Charge is 2 plus, size is very small, so anything divided by small is nothing but big one, right? So charge to size ratio is more, because of which more water will surround, so size of B2 plus with water will be very high compared to Ba2 plus, so it will be less mobile because of hindrance, whereas this will be more mobile, means more movement. So answer is Ba2 plus. I hope you understood this question. So this is the state question from S block elements. S block elements of class 12th or PUC first year, right?